lovelies, and welcome to this brand new Sakura haul. This time I decided to get different stuff, but always Japanese snacks, drinks, some makeup, and also a new perfume that I can't wait to show it to you. Since getting these snacks separately was a really long process, I decided to get a pre-prepared box from Bokksu. It's my first time trying their subscription and I'm so happy, even because the every box, which is this one, it's all Sakura themed. And this is how it looks inside. Whoa! It's so cute. Okay, let's discover what are these next. I'm gonna show you them one by one. So this is pretty much everything I got. I love the packaging. They're so cute. I mean, it's everything on theme with my haul, guys. Okay, so oh my goodness, wow, it's so good. Okay, I think it's like too much just for one cup. I'm gonna let it stay just for like a minute or so, or even less. Good, and so green, looks like absinthe, guys. Wow, it's really good. Best thing to eat with tea, yeah, it's cookie. So I'm gonna try this Sakura cookie. This is how it looks like. It smells like sakura. It remembers me like the honey / sakura taste of the cookies I tried last year. It's really nice. It's a buttered cookie, and inside it looks even pink. Okay, I put my hair into a bun. Also put some fresh sakura, and let's continue with the box. I want to try this. This is called cheese okaki plum flavor. Yeah, it smells like cheese. And there's some plum here. It's dry plum. Really good, and the cheese is delicate, not that strong flavor of cheese. Next snack I want to try is this Sakura chocolate crepe. I've seen them a lot in like lots of Japanese snacks haul videos, and I always wanted to try them, and I'm so happy they came into the box, since they told me that they're really expensive. I don't know. Okay. Whoa, there's a full crepe covered in sakura flavored chocolate. Let's try it. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Wow, it's delicate. It's a bit salty, like the Sakura Perfume. It's crispy, and the chocolate is like creamy. It's really good. next thing I want to try, because I'm not satisfied, I want to try something new, is this cookie and I have this stick potato, maybe. They look so creepy. Anyway, okay, I want to try this stuff here and this. Oh, this stick potato, they look so cute. My mouth is this weird, so let's try this. I think it's a cookie. Now check it to be sure. Spring Sakura steam cracker, deluxe flavor preserved, sakura blossom, sweet sake, and squid. So it's not sweet, it's salty. Squid is main ingredient of this senbei. Okay, so I have to try everything is salty. So let's try this. I think I'm gonna stop before on this. Thankfully I have one more so I can make more flat lays with it. Oh guys, it's pink. Ooh. It's a pink cracker. Oh my gosh, you can't see very well from the video camera, but here it's like super pink. The smell is really bad. It smells like rotten fish, but the taste is pretty nice. It's not so salty. It tastes like squid, like dry squid. I'm gonna leave this other out and this other one for later. And this is another one. I mean, this house is so boring. Didn't you think that? It's not boring anymore because I put everything in it. I mean, this howl is so boring, don't you think that? This is spicy and salty. I don't know what's it. EB Crunch Black Pepper. Okay, that's why it's salty. It is spicy. It's not that bad, but I guess I can live without it. Okay, next snack. I don't know if I'm going to try this or this. This packaging is cuter, so I think I'm gonna go for the stick potato. The plum stick potato, right? Yes, super mocho plum potato stick. I'm so bad at reading. Oh, they're pink, guys. Ooh. You can see it very well, but it should be plum flavor. One more thing. One more time. My English is becoming so bad recently, I don't know why. I'm like speaking like a 1-year-old baby. Anyway, no, I don't like them. No. I think my favorite until now is the Sakura cookie. So I think this is pretty much everything. No, I still miss this and this. So let's try this one first because it looks way like creepier. Look at that. Ooh, I don't know what it is. Sakura Karinto. Karinto is a traditional fried dough snack popular through Japan. Okay. I thought it was a sort of a fish. Oh my gosh, it smells like Sakura. This one too. Wow, I'm always asking that. Nicole, you bought a Sakura snack box. What did you expect? It's bitter. It's sweet. It's bitter. And it tastes like burnt cookie dough. Okay, finally the last one. But what is this? It's a candy, right? Sakura mochi. Where are the Sakura mochi? I'm sorry guys, this owl is really like weird. Anyway. Oh my gosh. It smells so good and it's so soft. Look at that. Let's try it. It's so good. Let's try with the tea. Oh yeah, really good. Okay, I'm done with the snack box. Finally, let's try this Sakura Pepsi. Maybe it was better if I kept it in the fridge, right? I don't have a glass, I'm sorry. I didn't bring it with me. Wait. Well, it tastes like a really sweet soda with like 50 teaspoons of sugar only in this bottle. And you know when you like take a candy and you like put it in the water and you let it stay and the water starts tasting like that candy is exactly the same thing. You probably don't put like candies in water. I always did that when I was a child. I was putting like everything into water, so from candies to chips to... Okay, you don't care. It's better if I don't say that. This is not my favorite, but let's admit it that it's like adorable. Look at that, it's so pink. I love it so much. Okay, now it's the Coca-Cola peach turn. My god, wow. This is the best Coca-Cola I've ever tasted.
Best Coca-Cola I've ever tasted.
Guys, this is the best thing in the world. It tastes like Coca-Cola, but it also tastes like peach. I mean, yes, it's a peach cola, but it's really, really good, really refreshing. It smells so good and it's way better than like cherry or vanilla cola. It's like really on top of the pyramid. This one is really good and way better than the cherry blossom Pepsi, which is not that good. This one is the best one. Okay, food is done. Now it's the makeup time. Got this stuff from MAC from the Cherry Boom Boom Bloom collection, and I look at the packaging with the cherry blossom petals. It's so good. I'm gonna start from the primer, which is this one. Ooh. Look at the packaging, is so cute. No. Okay, open it. Let's try it. Oh my gosh, it smells like flowers. It's so refreshing. It's so light. I definitely recommend this if you want like a good fixer and a good preparation for your makeup. It's really good. Then the highlighter slash compact powder. And it is so beautiful. It's a bright pink compact powder with a small layer of pink highlighter, of dark pink highlighter. See it come off when I'm rubbing it with my finger. Here it is. It's really dark. I'm not using it as highlighter but as a blush here on the cheeks. I'm making a mess. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, I forgot to bring with me the brush. Okay, pretty much is what I wanted to do before. I'm sorry. And the compact powder is so beautiful, and you can see there's this 3D cherry blossom petal fantasy, and also here it's really nice. Last piece, the glass, it's called For the Thrill of It. I hope it's good. Yeah, okay. And it's a similar, packaging is similar to the others. Here it is with the petals, and it's a clear glass, nothing special, but I like it. See, it works sort of lips highlighter. It's really nice. Then I have this bubble bath and body lotion from Disney's Mary Poppins collection. They're both peony and cherry blossom. They're so cute, and they smell really good. Then some accessories of my upcoming hair masks videos. I needed some new accessories. You probably already saw them in my last hair mask videos. Here they are, the cherry blossom collection from Flying Tiger. I got the soup plate, I got plain plate, and then I got this sauce plate, this sort of, I don't know if it is in an egg holder or a like drink, like liquor glass, and this is the teacup. I'm so stupid, I could use the teacup instead of the... And the very last thing I got for this whole video is, look at this beautiful Christian Dior box. Let's open it. It's this beautiful, amazing Sakura Perfume, and they also gave me a smaller one in the box. I don't know which one it is. It's Lucky. I'm gonna open for you the Sakura one. Here's the box, and this is how the perfume looks inside the box. Look, it's so big. It's really good. It's my new perfume, and since I already put on the MAC stuff, I thought I would put on also some perfume. So good. It's really light. It smells a bit like you remember grandma face powder mixed with a bit of sakura, a bit of peony. It's really good. It's really good. I would definitely recommend this one. And this is pretty much everything, guys. I'm so sorry. This video is a completely mess. I thought I was going to like make this video later in summer like I did last year and show you maybe more products and prepare this video better. But I hope you like it, and I hope you enjoy this time together. And I also forgot to show you the Sakura Poke, which I already showed you like last year, and I thought that you probably wouldn't be interested in seeing them again. But please, if you really like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. I put a notification bell on so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And there's another video actually coming probably this week or next week. I still don't know, but it's still in Sakura themed. And that's it. Bye, and see you in my next video. Bye.